Alright, so today I want to talk about my new tackle box system. I just picked this up because I got tired of carrying that plastic one around. The plastic gets a little brittle. This is actually a backpack by Stik, as you see. And what comes inside this thing, let's take a look at all the features. In the very top, you got a little pocket up here. If you open it up, inside we've got two of these plastic containers. The tag though says that there's room for more, and you can see that there is indeed room for more. I bought more. I bought 3 more. This one's a little skinnier, so you can see there's room for plenty of containers in there. On the side over here, it comes with a towel. You can take the towel off like so to wash it. And there's a slot that this little webbing goes through. Some Velcro to hold it on. And right here is another pouch. And I bought this to put in there. On the front, if you open this up, now we're looking at these plastic bins. I'm not sure what these are for. I guess you could put your fishing license in there. Also, there are these 2 pouches here to put stuff in. And then on this side, we've got another pouch, maybe for your cell phone or something. And here is for a pair of pliers, fishing pliers. I'm not sure what this is for. Just a handle maybe? I don't know. The bottom is just plastic. And I've already showed you the back. We've got the straps for backpacking it. And this is the Stik. You can go to uglystik.com. This is a 3700 Deluxe backpack. So there you go. I'm going to pack it up with my tackle from my old tackle box, and let's go fishing. Alright, so here you are. I think I got all my tackle that I want to carry into the boxes. So over here on the side, I've got my pliers, just a Walmart cheapie. This will be for my cell phone. And in the front pouch here, got a couple of small boxes here, some paperwork here, little minnow net there. And then in these pouches, we've got little plastic bins like there. And this pouch here, we actually got a little scale, measuring tape, and a stringer. And this pouch over here, got this one with some lures in there. And then into the top, just everything else. This one's got my knife in it and some miscellaneous bits. Here's my my floating frogs. There's one of my favorite bait right there, a whopper plopper. Here's my hooks and some bobbers. And here is my other favorite bait, the Mepps spinners, little rooster-tailed stuff, some hook extractors. And there's some miscellaneous hardware, hooks and snap swivels and stuff, so I'll go right to the top. So, got this one up here. Going up here. And there we go. The Ugly Stik backpack tackle box. Thanks for watching.